We're sad, really sad. We have to leave this place. We had nice breakfast, went to the beach, to the pool, relaxed a little, and
no
now...
sunburn so far?
Oh yeah, I'm really proud of Vanessa, but I mean, you got like 10 more days. Bye-bye nice hotel with the huge pool and the nice beach view. The very authentic Christmas tree. We tried to order a cab and the guy was like $50 for like maybe half an hour, which is way too much. It's like 3 times the price. And now let's see what the next one has to offer. How much?
Where are going?
They tried it again, $50. Like, because we have an app like Uber where you can check the prices and it says 15, not 50. So we're trying our luck at the main road.
Even though if we're gonna pay 20, it's okay, but...
Yeah, but not 50. That's almost the same price as at home. We'll check at the front and ask.
You speak last price.
Now they're chasing us with like lower prices. It's so funny. Like they already lowered it by half. From $50 it's like 25. I think like just 10-15 more meters and it will go lower even more.
5 minutes, okay? Taxi coming is 4,000. Okay? 4,000. Okay. You go there.
So what do you say? 4,000 is a lot less than 10,000.
Hey, it's 500 more.
Yeah, but it's, yeah.
But that's okay.
It's still a tourist price, but like way less than half. That's really close. I hope the water won't rise because our room will be somewhere up there.
This is the starting category room which we have for superior.
Not as good as the other hotel.
Yeah, it's a little less fancy, but the view. Yeah. It's like,
That's
I mean,
nice. Yeah.
There's really not much more you can actually ask for being this close to the beach. Even inside you can still fully hear it, so really sleeping by the beach. Can't wait. We're now at the first sightseeing spot down here in Calais. Ready for a map moment? Where are we? We're here right now. That's the entire fort. There's Utrecht. There's somewhere a light tower, and like we'll check out this entire area right now. Parts of it, especially the entrance, is from like 1660, so very old. Was probably used by the first people colonizing Sri Lanka as a fort, as like a station, trading, probably also war. So far, like a surprise.
Yeah.
By far the most quiet place in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Like no cars, no tuk-tuks, no beeping, nothing. It's like a city center in Europe that is just for pedestrians. So that's really nice, relaxed, chilled. The only downside, there's shopping available.
The way, because baby you see that it was too late.
Sightseeing, a little twist. It started raining. One of these typical rainfalls for this kind of area. Pretty strong winds, pretty strong rain. We're trying to cover here. It's fun, right? So yeah, we're debating if we should run to a place and eat there or just stay here and hope that it gets better. I don't know. We're going for it. We're trying. Just doesn't stop, so our only option. Next time we should bring an umbrella.
Oh yeah, it's in my luggage.
And that's exactly why I wrote this song. To let you know.
It stopped raining. We had nice dinner, like these tapas. These are like almost like pancakes, very, very thin in a basket kind of shape, and then you just dip it into your curry. It's not bad.
Or the other way around, I don't know.
And we made it all the way to Sri Lanka to eat some Italian ice cream. It's already melting, so I need to hurry up. Last time in the tuk-tuk for today on our way back to the hotel. Just like relaxing a little because it's starting to rain again.
Yes.
Perfect timing, actually.
Yeah.
Is it too late to